This doesn't look like wealth. But in the next few minutes, this stone will become one of the most powerful materials on Earth. When everything else fails, this remains. This is not metal. This is certainty.
Every 24K gold bar starts as worthless stone.
Utilizing advanced X-ray fluorescence, we can clearly visualize the distribution of the gold within the ore body.
Peak density reading at coordinate B7, the distribution is remarkable.
Confirmed. The subsurface imaging aligns perfectly with the spectral analysis.
You still can't see the gold. See up the heat.
Batch 72 weighed and tagged.
Confirmed. Data uploaded to the main database.
All units, convoy is green. Proceed to waypoint 1.
Once it moves, there's no turning back.
Pressure is perfect. Keep it stable. Okay, wow.
Gold hates being found.
Magnetic separators pull iron minerals away, leaving gold-bearing slurry untouched. Waste cleanly diverted quick. Zero mess, zero drama.
I'm increasing the flow to the third cyclone.
Levels look good. We are reaching optimal separation.
The flow rate on C3 is still fluctuating.
I'm adjusting the intake valve now. That should stabilize the separation.
Now, chemistry takes over.
This is where gold disappears to survive.
We're maintaining the ideal threshold at 160 degrees.
Yes. Exact chemistry, pure gold capture.
The gold assay readings are stabilizing within the optimal range.
Yes, the capture efficiency is excellent at this temperature threshold.
We've achieved release, but as you can see here, the purity isn't where it needs to be.
Gold has returned, but fire will judge it.
Temperature is stable at 1064.
Confirmed. Proceeding with the hold time.
We're at 1064, holding for stability check now.
Confirmed. All protocols are nominal.
The gold purity levels are stabilizing nicely.
Yes, we're achieving near 24K alignment with these new ratios.
The gold purity levels are stabilizing nicely now.
Yes, we're achieving near 24K alignment.
Stability confirmed on the main crucible.
Agreed. Heat balance is perfect.
We have achieved stabilization. The thermal readings are uniform.
Confirmed. The melt cycle is stable.
Temperature balance confirmed. Proceeding with the extraction.
Secured the sample. Sending it down now.
Sample secured. Initiating transfer now.
Received. Proceeding to assay station.
Almost pure.
The temperature stabilization is complete. Purity levels are confirmed.
Excellent. I am initiating the final sign-off.
Now we chase perfection.
Now we chase perfection.
Current stable, gold purity cycle initiated.
Current.
Only gold survives this stage.
Cross-lab verification confirms gold. No foreign metals detected.
Cross-lab verification confirms gold. No foreign metals detected.
This is investment grade 24K gold. This is as pure as gold gets.
Crucible temp optimal for 24K homogenization.
Bars are coming. We need to maintain the current flow rate to stay within the tolerance.
Agreed. The solidification is almost complete. The cooling time tolerance seems stable now.
Yes, the readings confirm it. We can proceed.
The weight is exact, well within the tolerance limits.
You're done.
Confirmed. We can proceed with the transfer.
The purity stamp is perfect on this batch. Absolutely flawless.
Agreed. We can move these to inventory.
The surface consistency is remarkable.
Truly a flawless finish. The measurements are precise. Everything is within tolerance.
Agreed. The analysis supports full approval for the global markets. Gold is no longer stone.
Storage phase initiated. All systems green.
Confirmed. Vault climate stable.
All indicators green across the board.
Confirmed. The vault is secure.
Each bar is insured at global market value.
Verification complete. Awaiting final authorization. All counts verified against the manifest.
Excellent. Move them to loading bay 3.
Trust isn't claimed, it's engineered. Hiya.
Sierra 1, vault is secured. We are proceeding to checkpoint 3.
Roger that, Sierra 1.